the back of the tent. Told the straw.
How you feeling, Jonathan?
Good so far.
We getting pizza or what?
If they're open. Hopefully they're open.
Oh, they will be.
Swearing that his love won't relent. But the last thing that he said, oh well, I'm sure it just can't be what he meant. Ooh, tight rope walker, don't you lessen the tension now. You know better than most, if there's slack in the line, you'll fall down. Tight rope walker, long as no one comes and cuts your line. Oh, I'm sure, pretty girl, a little lady, that you're gonna be fine.
If you ask about the forecast of the weather, I'd say my mind is flashing lightning, my heart it pounds thunder. And there's pangs of hunger, something too difficult to name. A persistent rhythm, long-time companion. But it won't be the death of me, no, it won't be my prison. I left when the tide was high, only one thing on my mind. Looking for a place to be, a place to bide my time. Searching for a certain face to look back at me and find a spark of recognition, any single little sign.
Even when the clouds hang heavy with these
We're gonna figure out the names.
you don't need to see the sky, my dear, to thank your lucky stars, to thank your stars, thank your stars, thank your stars, thank your stars. Sometimes I would like to write a happy song. You would think I couldn't get it wrong with a ukulele. But when I close my eyes and try to find the words, the lines that find their way into the world are so very depressing. Sometimes I would like to write a cheery one. You'd think I couldn't get it wrong with a medley of kazoos. But then it goes downhill so very quickly. I give up hope of ever winning this round, and I'm right back at the beginning. 'Cause I'm a victim of their side song curse. Said I'm a victim of their side song curse. Just once, I like for it to come out easy. You think that it would be so breezy with a melodic melody. But here it comes again, a slew of songs that make a grown man cry, drop to his knees and cry out to the sky. His day is ruined by this song of mine. 'Cause I'm a victim of the side song curse. The side song curse. Most days I wish that I could lift this shitty spell. No longer destined for songwriter's hell if I subtract all the harmonics. So here I sit again, forever doomed to compose endlessly these symphonies of grief and harmony that I'll write till the end of time. Since I've never thought of a single verse that could ever spark
close to me, my dear. I love to hear your voice so near.